Hello everybody, my name is Firas Fawaz. Today I will talk about Stock Track Project, me and Mohammed Ibrahim. First, what is our benefit? We learn in this class a lot of things about the world of the market, and we learn how to buy and sell the stock and stock forecast, and how to use the chart to accept the future of the market. But unfortunately, things didn't go the way we wanted. Our portfolio is minus 11.19%. The effect of factors. We have two effect of factors. First is economic factors. In an inflated environment, unevenly raising prices reduce the purchasing power of some consumers. And when higher interest rate make it more expensive to people to borrow money and encourage people to save the money. Overall, that means people will tend to spend less money. If people spend less on goods and services, that means the price of those things tend to raise more slowly. Slower price raises mean a lower rate of inflation. Second factors, personal factors. We sell the stocks at the time when it was under the buying price, and we thought it would drop more, so we went to stop the losses. Our strategy. We use several strategies to make profit. First is news trading. We were always aware of stock news, market, trend and investor movement. When breaking news comes in, stock prices will react. This is called price discovery. Investor will process the news information and decide how stock prices will affect, and you will see prices movement following the news. Second strategy is position trading. Sometimes we keep the stock for a long time in a portfolio because of a long-term component. Position trading is less risky than swing trading and day trading. Traders get the chance to review their investment in order to make changes according to the changes in the markets. Third strategy is buy low, sell high. We usually focus in times of low prices to enter the market and buy. Last strategy is comparing with fair value. Often we calculate the fair value of the stock to consider it is overvalued or undervalued. And thank you for listening. Now complete with Mohammed.
Okay, so thank you for my partner for showing us our strategies and the effect factors. And those was something the most important strategies and the most effective thing. So now we will gonna continue on the portfolio equity. So as we can see, the long equity has the highest rate and has the highest portfolio in our portfolio. And the mutual funds has 22.9 percentage, futures has 11.8, and bonds has the lowest equity by 8%. And now we can see top 5 profitable equity. The most profitable equity we has is the future contract in gold in specific. We got almost 42% from the gold contract, and also we lose lots of money on in the future contract, in specific in gold contract. And the second profitable equity was the stock in specific Meta, the one for Facebook, when they starting giving dividends or talking in news that they will provide the stockholder a dividend. The stock was going in high, so we got almost 12.9% in profit, almost in dollar around 50K in dollar. And the third one was Exxon. We got Exxon oil. We got almost 8.34 on it. And the fourth was the mutual fund S&P 500. We gained lots of money from it, around 20K. And the last but not least, Google stock, we got almost 3.46 from it. Now we will continue to the next slide. Top 5 loses equity, which was the oil future contract. We lose some around maybe 100,000 from the oil contract due to the Ukraine and Russia war. The oil was going down, and then we buy it before the oil going down, so that's why we lose lots of money from it. And the option contract, we lose the premium, but we pay a lots of money in the option contract in gold. And then the stock, the PFE, we lose the around 29.76. And the fourth was the Ford Motor stock. The Ford Motor stock, the reason why it's dropped because of the pandemic and also the problem with the semiconductors crisis, and also the electric car, like for example in Tesla and most of the cars company changing their ways of producing cars and going to the electric car, but Ford hasn't yet did it. So that's why the Ford stock dropped lots of money, around 12.35 we lose from it. And the fifth is Apple stock. Actually, we missed the letter A, PP. So the Apple stocks, in Apple stock, we lose 9.11 regarding the iPhone 14 was slow in production. So that's why we lose lots of money from it. Actually, that's it. Thank you for listening.